Deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a world exists where nature runs wild and the creatures lurking in the shadows defy imagination. For centuries, explorers, scientists, and local tribes have whispered stories about colossal beasts lurking in the dense jungles and winding rivers. Join us as we uncover 20 of the largest Amazon monsters ever discovered. Number 20. The gentle giant of the Amazon. The spectacled bear is one of the most remarkable creatures to roam the Amazon rainforest, combining size and strength with a gentle and distinct personality that sets it apart from other animals. Growing to a length of about 5 to 6 feet and standing at a solid 2.5 to 3 feet tall at the shoulder, this bear is no small animal. Weighing anywhere from 220 to 440 pounds, it carries an impressive bulk, yet its behavior reveals a calm and unique temperament that endears it to those lucky enough to observe it. What makes the spectacled bear truly intriguing is its incredible adaptability in the harsh and diverse environment of the Amazon. This bear thrives where others might struggle. Its powerful front limbs and sharp claws make it an expert climber, allowing it to scale trees with ease in search of its favorite foods. From fruits and nuts to honey, the spectacled bear's diet is as varied as its environment, showing how resourceful this forest giant can be. One of the most charming and distinctive features of this bear is the set of pale markings around its eyes, which resemble a pair of spectacles. Number 19. The bull shark. Bull shark is a truly remarkable and intimidating creature renowned for its ability to adapt to various environments. What sets this shark apart is its unique capability to thrive in both saltwater and freshwater. These sharks have been recorded traveling up to 2,500 miles inland, venturing far from their typical ocean habitats. They make their way into rivers from sources like Lake Nicaragua, showcasing their extraordinary adaptability. With a reputation for aggression, the bull shark is often considered one of the most dangerous shark species. Its aggressive behavior can be attributed to its diet, which includes fish, turtles, birds, and even other sharks. Bull sharks are known for their unpredictable nature, making them a potential threat to swimmers, especially in shallow coastal waters where they often hunt. What adds to their fearsome presence is their impressive size. Bull sharks can grow up to 11 feet long, although some individuals have been reported to exceed this length. They typically weigh between 200 to 500 pounds, giving them a powerful physique that enhances their status as apex predators. Another fascinating aspect of bull sharks is their physiological adaptation that allows them to thrive in freshwater environments. They have specialized kidneys that help regulate their salt levels, enabling them to maintain a balance regardless of their surroundings. Number 18. Power of the black cayman. The black cayman is a powerful crocodilian species that reigns as the largest predator in the Amazon ecosystem, capable of preying on virtually any animal that crosses its path, including other formidable predators. While it holds the title for the heaviest predator, it isn't the longest. That honor belongs to a snake mentioned earlier in this series. What makes the black cayman particularly fearsome is its reputation for occasionally attacking humans. Its dark, tough skin enables it to blend seamlessly into the muddy waters of the Amazon, allowing it to lie in wait like a shadow, almost invisible to unsuspecting prey. This master of camouflage primarily hunts at night, taking advantage of the darkness to enhance its stealth and surprise its victims. Unlike many other predators that use sharp teeth to bite and kill, the black cayman employs a more chilling technique. When it catches its prey, it grips it tightly, dragging it underwater to drown it before feasting. This method of hunting adds a grim twist to its already fearsome reputation, making it one of the most dangerous creatures in its environment. Number 17. The fearsome tyrant king. King leech. The tyrant king leech, though measuring just around 3 inches long, is a truly fearsome creature lurking in the waters of the Amazon rainforest. This leech boasts an impressive set of large, razor-sharp teeth that it uses to score through the flesh of its victims, creating painful wounds that allow it to access the rich blood beneath the skin. But what makes this leech particularly scary is its alarming tendency to target sensitive orifices of mammals, including the eyes, genitals, and rectum, making it one of the most unsettling parasites found in the wild. Once it has successfully latched onto its prey, the tyrant king leech can remain attached for several weeks. During this time, it can consume a significant amount of blood, growing larger as it feeds. Interestingly, these leeches have a remarkable ability to digest blood, allowing them to survive on a single meal for extended periods. In fact, after a big feeding session, they can go several months without needing to eat again. In addition to their unsettling feeding habits, tyrant king leeches have evolved various adaptations that make them efficient predators. Their bodies are flexible and capable of squeezing into tight spaces, which aids them in finding entry points into their hosts. Furthermore, they possess a strong sense of smell, helping them locate potential prey nearby. Number 16. Jaguar. Jaguar is the largest big cat in the Americas and is a true marvel of the Amazon rainforest. This magnificent feline can grow to be between 3.9 to 6.2 feet long, not counting its tail, and stands about 2.3 feet tall at the shoulder. Typically, male jaguars are larger than females, weighing anywhere from 123 to 211 pounds, while females weigh between 79 to 141 pounds. With its strong and muscular body along with its striking coat adorned with beautiful rosette-like patterns, the jaguar can easily blend into the spotted light and shadows of the rainforest, making it an expert at stealth. This big cat is not just about looks. It has a powerful bite capable of crushing the skulls of its prey, which includes formidable animals like cayman, capybaras, and peccaries. What truly sets the jaguar apart as a hunter are its exceptional senses. With sharp eyesight and acute hearing, it can detect movements in the dense undergrowth. Its agility and remarkable swimming abilities further enhance its hunting skills, allowing it to navigate both land and water with ease. In the wild, the jaguar is a symbol of strength and cunning, ruling its territory with grace and power. Number 15. The colorful yet deadly poison dart frog. At first glance, these little frogs may seem harmless, and their bright, vibrant colors can be truly stunning, ranging from neon greens and yellows to deep blues and reds. However, looks can be deceiving, as these frogs are among the most dangerous creatures on our planet. The brilliant colors of poison dart frogs serve an important purpose. They act as a warning to potential predators. The vivid hues signal that these frogs are not to be trifled with because their skin contains a powerful toxin called batrachotoxin. This toxin is so potent that just a single poison dart frog can be lethal enough to kill up to 10 adult humans with just a simple touch. Interestingly, these frogs do not produce the toxins themselves. Instead, they acquire them through their diet, primarily consisting of ants, termites, and other small arthropods that contain toxic compounds. In captivity, when fed a different diet, poison dart frogs can lose their toxic properties, highlighting the intriguing connection between diet and toxicity. Additionally, the skin of these frogs is not just colorful, it is also vital for their survival. It serves as a defense mechanism against predators, and the secretions on their skin can deter many animals from eating them. Number 14. The incredible Amazonian giant centipede. The Amazonian giant centipede is a fascinating creature and one of the largest insects on Earth, contributing significantly to its eerie reputation. An adult giant centipede can grow to an astonishing length of nearly a foot, with some reports even claiming lengths of up to 12 inches or more. This remarkable size allows it to be an impressive predator in its environment. You can typically find these centipedes scuttling across the forest floor, particularly in the humid and vibrant ecosystems near the Amazon River. They thrive in this lush habitat, where they can easily blend in with the leaf litter and debris. As nocturnal hunters, they come alive at night, using their keen senses to locate prey. Their diet consists mainly of lizards, frogs, small mammals, and even other insects, showcasing their adaptability and varied hunting strategies. What makes the Amazonian giant centipede particularly intriguing is its method of capturing prey. Equipped with venomous claws known as forcipules, it delivers a painful bite that can immobilize its victims quickly. This venom not only helps subdue its prey but also aids in digestion by breaking down the tissues before consumption. Moreover, these centipedes exhibit intriguing behaviors. They are known for their agility and speed, allowing them to move swiftly through their forest home. Their segmented bodies, composed of numerous segments, each with a pair of legs, contribute to their flexibility and movement. Number 13. Harpy eagle. The harpy eagle is one of the largest eagle species on the planet and ranks as one of the top predators in the Amazon rainforest. With impressive wingspans that can reach over 6 feet, these majestic birds soar through the canopy with grace and power. When they spot their prey, they can dive down at incredible speeds, using their massive talons to snatch up unsuspecting animals before they even realize what's happening. What makes the harpy eagle so fearsome are its enormous talons, which can exert several hundred kilograms of pressure. This incredible strength allows them to crush the bones of their prey instantly, ensuring a swift and efficient hunt. Whether it's a sloth or a small monkey, the harpy eagle is a skilled hunter, showing no mercy in its pursuit of food. Surprisingly, these magnificent birds can live for up to 35 years, making them a consistent presence in their environment. This longevity means they remain a significant force in the Amazon ecosystem, continually asserting their role as apex predators. However, there's no need for humans to fear them. Their primary focus is on their natural prey, and they typically pose little threat to us. Overall, the harpy eagle is a stunning example of nature's power and beauty, embodying the wild spirit of the Amazon rainforest. Number 12. The fascinating giant anteater. The giant anteater truly is a giant among its relatives, reaching sizes comparable to that of a golden retriever. One of the most impressive features of the giant anteater is its extraordinary sense of smell. In fact, it has a nose that is about 40 times more powerful than that of an average human. This remarkable ability allows it to easily locate ant hills, which are its favorite snacks. But despite its size and powerful sense of smell, the giant anteater must be cautious when feeding. It is actually quite vulnerable to ant bites, which means it can only feast for about a minute while it has the element of surprise. Once it starts to eat, it quickly grabs what it can and then moves on to avoid getting bitten. In this way, the giant anteater is not the fearsome monster it might appear to be. Instead, it's a unique creature that plays a special role in its ecosystem. Number 11. The pink river dolphin. The Amazon river dolphin, a truly enchanting creature of the Amazon, challenges our usual idea of dolphins as solely ocean dwellers. Scientifically named Inia geoffrensis, these significant dolphins make their home in the freshwater rivers of the Amazon. They can grow to impressive lengths of over 2.2 meters, about 8 feet, showcasing their size and elegance in their aquatic environment. What sets these dolphins apart from their oceanic cousins is their unique appearance. Many of them have a beautiful pinkish hue that can catch you by surprise, adding to their mystical charm. This striking coloration can vary, sometimes appearing more vibrant depending on factors like age and environmental conditions. Sadly, the real danger facing these magnificent animals does not come from natural predators but rather from human actions. Pollution in the rivers and destruction of their natural habitats has had devastating effects on their populations, leading to a worrying decline in their numbers. Fortunately, there are conservation efforts aimed at protecting these extraordinary dolphins and their homes. However, there is still much work to be done to secure their future and ensure that these unique inhabitants of the Amazon River can thrive once more. The Amazon River dolphin not only represents the beauty of its ecosystem but also serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's precious wildlife. Number 10. The terrifying green anaconda. Green anaconda is one of the most awe-inspiring creatures of the Amazon and holds the title of the largest and heaviest snake in the world. This massive serpent can grow over 7 meters, 23 feet, in length and weigh up to a staggering 227 kilograms, over 600 pounds, making it a true giant of the animal kingdom. What's interesting is that these measurements come from snakes that have been caught and studied. There may be even bigger and heavier anacondas lurking in the depths of the rainforest, waiting to be discovered. What makes the green anaconda particularly terrifying is its role as an apex predator. This means it has no natural enemies and can hunt almost anything it desires. Its hunting method is equally monstrous. These snakes are known for swallowing their prey whole. It doesn't matter if the animal is much larger than its mouth. The anaconda simply dislocates its jaw and forces its meal down, digesting it slowly over time. If you ever come across an anaconda in the wild and notice a large bulge in its stomach, it's likely in the middle of digesting its latest meal. But the green anaconda's incredible hunting abilities don't stop there. It thrives both on land and in water and can even climb trees to ambush its prey. Number 9. Kangaroo fish. Kangaroo fish earns its place on this list not just because it exists, but because of its infamous reputation. This real and potentially dangerous fish is known for its parasitic behavior, as it attaches itself to other fish by entering their gills and feeding on their blood. While the kangaroo can grow to about 40 centimeters, around 15.7 inches, in length, it is often much smaller, allowing it to slip easily into the bodies of its unsuspecting hosts. What truly makes the kangaroo notorious is a local legend suggesting that it can infect humans by swimming up the male urethra while they are urinating in the river. This tale has spread fear among those who frequent the waters, making the kangaroo more dreaded than many other predators in the Amazon. However, it's important to note that no confirmed cases of this happening have ever been documented, and the idea of a fish navigating a stream of urine to enter a body is not supported by science. Despite its unsettling reputation, the Amazon rainforest is a place of incredible beauty and rich biological diversity, housing some of the most formidable and mysterious creatures on Earth. Number 8. The electric eel. Often referred to as the electric eel, this fascinating creature is not actually an eel at all. It belongs to a family of fish called knife fish, found primarily in the freshwater rivers of the Amazon and Orinoco basins in South America. The electric eel can thrive in a variety of habitats, including slow-moving waters, floodplains, and even swampy areas. What makes this animal truly remarkable is its unique ability to generate electricity through specialized organs within its body. The electric eel has 3 pairs of electrocytes, or specialized cells, that allow it to produce different types of electric discharges. The electric eel uses low-voltage pulses to navigate murky waters and communicate with other eels, essentially seeing its environment through electric signals. With a powerful electric shock that can reach an astonishing 600 volts for a few milliseconds, the electric eel can deliver a jolt that feels as intense as a stun gun. While this shock is unlikely to be fatal to larger animals, it can incapacitate prey such as fish and invertebrates, making them easier to catch. This ability to stun smaller creatures helps the electric eel to secure its meals. When threatened, the electric eel can unleash a strong electric shock to deter potential predators, showcasing its prowess as a formidable survivor in its ecosystem. Number 7. The Amazonian manatee. Amazonian manatee is a true giant of the aquatic world, showcasing incredible size and strength. These amazing creatures can grow to impressive lengths between 8 to 10 feet, with some individuals even reaching a remarkable length of over 13 feet. They are true behemoths of the water, weighing anywhere from 800 to 1,300 pounds. With their sleek bodies, which are equipped with paddle-like flippers and a broad, horizontally flattened tail, these gentle giants glide gracefully through the winding waterways of the Amazon. As herbivores, they have a big appetite for aquatic plants, consuming as much as 8% of their body weight in vegetation each day. Sadly, the future's looking grim for these magnificent animals. Their habitats are being destroyed due to human activities, and they face serious dangers from getting accidentally caught in fishing gear. Additionally, the threat of poaching looms over them, further endangering their survival. It's crucial that we recognize these challenges to help protect the Amazonian manatee and ensure that these giants of the river can thrive for generations to come. Number 6. The majestic giant river otter. The giant river otter truly lives up to its name. An adult can grow up to an impressive 1.8 meters, nearly 6 feet, long, making it the largest member of the otter family. In fact, it can weigh between 50 to 100 pounds, showcasing its powerful physique. Giant river otters are known for their striking appearance, featuring a sleek body covered in thick, water-resistant fur that helps keep them warm in their aquatic habitats. Their distinctive creamy white throat and chest markings create a beautiful contrast with their dark brown fur, making them one of the most visually stunning animals in the Amazon. They also have webbed feet, which enable them to swim gracefully through the waters of rivers, lakes, and wetlands. These otters are highly social animals that live in family groups, typically consisting of a mating pair and their offspring. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including barks, growls, and whistles, showcasing their advanced social behaviors. They are playful and intelligent, often seen sliding down riverbanks or engaging in games with each other, which further highlights their dynamic personalities. Unfortunately, despite their intriguing social structure and relatively gentle nature, giant river otters have faced numerous threats over the years. Habitat destruction due to deforestation and pollution in the Amazon River basin has severely impacted their living conditions. Now it's time for today's topic. Footage taken during a remote survey of the Brazilian Amazon has stunned researchers across the world. The images, first captured in June 2024 by an environmental monitoring drone belonging to the Instituto Nacional de Pesquisas de Amazônia, INPA, appeared to show enormous, long-necked creatures wading through a bend in the Rio Purus, deep in a section of rainforest nearly 300 kilometers west of Manaus. The figures, estimated to be over 25 feet tall, moved in a slow, coordinated pattern, partially submerged in the muddy waters. At first, experts assumed the images were a trick of light or large animals like manatees or river dolphins creating illusions. However, higher-resolution frames taken days later revealed outlines resembling prehistoric sauropods, massive creatures believed to have vanished 65 million years ago. Teams from the University of São Paulo and the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute reviewed the footage and confirmed no known Amazonian wildlife could explain the scale or behavior seen in the images. Locals from nearby Tapoiua villages have long spoken of Kangaroo, a giant river beast said to appear during heavy rains. Legends dismissed until now. Some online skeptics argue the footage could be digitally altered or a natural illusion, but others believe it's the most compelling evidence yet. What do you think? Real discovery or clever hoax? Number 5. Goliath of the jungle. Tarantulas are already unsettling to many, but the Goliath bird-eater tarantula stands as a true giant among them, earning its place as one of the most feared and fascinating spiders on the planet. As the largest spider in the world by mass, it commands attention with its sheer size and power. The Goliath bird-eater can grow up to 13 centimeters, 5.1 inches, in body length, with a leg span that can stretch up to 30 centimeters, 12 inches, roughly the size of a dinner plate. Weighing around 6.2 ounces, it's as heavy as a small puppy, making it the heaviest spider known to science. This species roams the rainforests of northern South America, particularly in Venezuela, Guyana, and Brazil. With thick, hairy bodies and powerful legs, they are perfectly adapted to the humid and dark forest floor, where they burrow into the earth and wait for unsuspecting prey. Despite its intimidating name, the Goliath bird-eater rarely targets birds. Its diet consists mostly of insects, worms, and amphibians, though it has been known to capture and consume small rodents, lizards, and even snakes when the opportunity arises. Number 4. Enigmatic giant stingray. The giant stingray is absolutely remarkable. Can reach an amazing 14 feet wide. This makes it one of the largest freshwater fish in existence. The giant stingray belongs to the family Potamotrygonidae and is primarily found in the rivers and lakes of the Amazon basin, as well as in parts of the Orinoco River system. With such enormous size, the giant stingray truly rules the depths of the Amazon River. It has a flattened body shape, which allows it to navigate effortlessly along the riverbed. The skin of these stingrays is covered with tiny, tooth-like structures called dermal denticles, providing them with a unique texture that helps them camouflage among the sandy and muddy river bottom. Their diet mainly consists of crustaceans, fish, and other small aquatic organisms, which they hunt by using their electroreception abilities. This means they can detect the electric fields produced by the movements of their prey, making them effective hunters even in murky waters. However, here's the intriguing part. Encountering this majestic creature is not an easy feat. It is incredibly elusive and prefers to remain hidden, often blending into its surroundings. They are known to bury themselves in the riverbed's substrate, making them hard to spot. Number 3. Arapaima. The Arapaima is a true giant of the freshwater world, holding the title of the largest freshwater fish on the planet. When fully grown, this impressive fish can reach lengths of about 3 meters, making the phrase "that's a big catch" perfectly fitting for anyone lucky enough to reel one in. However, its size alone isn't what makes the Arapaima truly remarkable. It's the incredible armor that sets it apart. This unique fish is covered in tough, mineralized scales that form a hard outer layer, almost like a suit of armor. Beneath this hard surface lies a network of collagen fibers arranged in several layers, giving its skin strength comparable to plywood, if not stronger. Despite this impressive protection, the Arapaima is surprisingly agile, allowing it to glide gracefully through the water. Interestingly, even though the Arapaima lives in fresh water, it requires oxygen from the surface to breathe. This means it must regularly rise to the top of the water to take in air, making it a fascinating creature to observe. With its combination of size, strength, and adaptability, the Arapaima is truly a marvel of the aquatic world. Number 2. Red-bellied piranhas. Red-bellied piranhas are indeed equipped with sharp teeth and aggressive feeding habits, but the reality of their behavior is much more complex. While they are formidable predators, these fish are actually omnivores, meaning they enjoy a varied diet. In addition to meat, they frequently consume plant materials, showcasing their adaptability in the diverse ecosystem of the Amazon. In the murky, fast-moving waters of the Amazon River, schools of red-bellied piranhas glide silently beneath the surface, their silver scales flashing like blades when sunlight pierces through the canopy. They often lurk near riverbanks thick with reeds, where fallen fruits, insects, and small carcasses drift by, perfect opportunities for an easy meal. Contrary to Hollywood's depictions, piranhas rarely go into feeding frenzies unless provoked or starved, preferring to scavenge rather than attack live animals. Local fishermen often wade into the shallows with ease, their feet brushing past piranhas without harm, a testament to the species' misunderstood temperament. During the dry season, when water levels drop and food grows scarce, piranhas gather in deeper pools, sharing the limited resources in a surprisingly organized hierarchy. Mothers vigilantly guard their eggs, forming protective circles against potential threats, while juveniles hide among roots and vegetation to avoid becoming meals themselves. It's a complex society, one driven more by survival and cooperation than by chaos and bloodlust. Interestingly, red-bellied piranhas are often likened to the vultures of the water, scavenging for food rather than hunting large prey. They tend to target animals that are already dead or dying, making them vital participants in the natural process of decomposition. This scavenging behavior helps keep the waterways clean, revealing a side of piranhas that many people overlook. Rather than being ruthless hunters, they play an important role as nature's cleanup crew. Contrary to popular belief, these piranhas do not usually hunt in large packs. Instead, they form schools primarily for protection against their own predators. While they should certainly be treated with caution, the fear surrounding piranhas is largely exaggerated. Understanding their true behavior can help dispel the myths and promote a more balanced view of these often misunderstood fish. By recognizing the red-bellied piranha's role in the ecosystem and their scavenging nature, we can appreciate their place in the rich tapestry of life in the Amazon River, rather than focusing solely on their fearsome reputation. It's important to acknowledge the ecological importance of these intriguing creatures. Number 1. The remarkable tapir. Tapirs are fascinating animals that command attention with their robust and sturdy build. Standing at about 3 feet tall at the shoulder, these impressive creatures can stretch out to an astonishing length of 6.5 feet. They aren't exactly lightweights either, as they typically weigh between 550 and 900 pounds, making them quite substantial in size. In the dense rainforests of South America and Southeast Asia, tapirs move like quiet shadows, slipping through the underbrush with surprising agility for their size. Their thick hides protect them from thorny vegetation, while their keen sense of smell helps them detect predators long before danger approaches. Often found near rivers and streams, they are exceptional swimmers, using the water both as a refuge and a playground. On humid nights, a tapir can often be heard softly splashing through the shallows, submerging itself to cool off or shake off pesky insects. Incredibly, young tapirs are born covered in white stripes and spots, resembling miniature watermelons, a natural camouflage that helps them blend into the dappled forest floor. Mothers are fiercely protective, often hiding their calves in dense foliage while they forage nearby. Despite their peaceful demeanor, tapirs can defend themselves when threatened, using their powerful jaws and astonishing burst of speed to evade or confront predators such as jaguars or crocodiles. These animals are adept at making their presence felt as they move gracefully through their habitats. One of their most distinctive features is their unique appearance. With a barrel-shaped body and a short, trunk-like snout, tapirs possess a look that is truly one of a kind. Their snouts are specially designed to help them reach leaves and munch on vegetation that other herbivores often have difficulty accessing. What's even more intriguing is their role in the ecosystem. Tapirs act like the gardeners of the forest. As they feast on various fruits, they help disperse seeds by excreting them intact after digestion. This natural process is vital for spreading seeds throughout the rainforest, promoting the growth and diversity of plant life in their environment. In this way, tapirs contribute significantly to their ecosystems, helping to maintain the delicate balance of the rainforest. Their unique adaptations and behaviors make them a crucial part of their habitats, highlighting the important connections that exist in nature. Which of these animals did you find the most dangerous? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below.